Hello students, in this video I will explain two questions in exercise 10.2 in NCERT book for class 9 mathematics, the chapter circle. The first question it is given, recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center. So here it is given two circles are congruent if they have same radii. This result we already learned in chapter congruent triangle. We know that if two circles are congruent then they have equal radii. So consider here two circles. First one with center O and second one center O dash. Here AB and CD are two chords on the circle. To recall, a circle is a collection of points whose every point is equidistant from its center. So two circles can be congruent if their radii are equal. So in this question, it is given that AB equal to CD because it is written two equal chords. And we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. The first circle, the angle at the center is angle AOB. The second circle, angle at the center is angle CO'D. So we have to prove these two angles are equal. Now come to the proof. First to consider the triangle AOB and triangle CO'D. Triangle AOB and triangle CO'B. Here you can see OA equal to O''C. OA equal to O''C because they have radii of the congruent circle. Therefore they are equal. And OB equal to O''D. They are also radii of the circle. And AB equal to CD as given in the question. So AB equal to CD. Now in these two triangles, all three sides are equal. So we can use SSS congruence condition. So by SSS congruency, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO'D. Then by CPCT, we can write angle AOB equal to angle CO'D. That means these two angles at the center, that is angle AOB equal to angle CO'D. So this is we have to prove. This is the solution of first question. Now the second question. The second question, prove that if chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center, then the chords are equal. Second question, it is a converse of first question. The first question, we have proved that the central angles are equal. Now here it is given the congruent circle subtend equal angle. So we have to prove here the chords are equal. So here it is given two circles. One circle with center O, second circle with center O dash. Given two congruent circles having center O and O dash and two chords AB and CD such that angle AOB equal to angle COD. So here central angle AOB and angle CO'D. These two angles are equal. That is given in the question. We have to prove AB equal to CD. So here we have to prove these two chords AB and CD are equal. Now in proof, we can take two triangle AOB and triangle CO'D. Here in these two triangle, we can write AO equal to CO dash and BO equal to DO dash. They are radii of the same circle. Same circle here, these two circles are congruent circles, so you can consider it as same circle. Now angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D, it is given. Now using SAS criteria, here two side AO is equal to CO dash and side BO equal to DO dash, and in between these two sides there is an angle AOB and angle CO dash D. So you can use the criteria SAS. So we can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D by SAS congruence condition. Then by CPCT you can write AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD by CPCT. AB and CD are corresponding part of congruent triangle. So these are the two questions given in exercise 10.2.